Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Friday, April 26, 2019. The time is 3:45 a.m. GMT. Today we will be looking at the chart of Boeing. This is a 480 minutes chart. So this is more or less around 8 hours chart. And over here we can see after topping out on early March at 446.5. Okay, so after topping out at 446.5, Boeing did a dive here and dropped in 5 waves, 1 2 3 4 5, ended the first leg of the correction at 359. Right, so of course the news about the 737 Max that failed twice didn't help the stocks and caused all this move lower here that you saw during the past month or so. Now since then it has tried to sort of do some sort of recovery, right? And this first leg of the recovery here, that looks like a 5 waves. Okay, so we label this as a wave A of a zigzag ABC, and then after that you see the pullback here, ended the B, and we are looking for the next leg higher now in Boeing to finish a C leg, which will subdivide into 5 waves, 1 2 3 4 5, and then the entire zigzag ABC should end, is expected to end somewhere around 406 and $432, right? That's ideally it will reach that area before the rally fails, and then the stock starts to turn lower again. So now this one here, so that means that we are looking for a little bit more recovery again, right? But then we expect rally to fail around $406 to start the next leg lower, which is going to be quite big move to the downside again after that, right? So if you are looking for an ABC correction here, this can potentially go to let's say it ends at 406, it can go to $320 or $318 next, right? Now looking at the larger picture here, if you look at the monthly here, you can see right here that we got a so this is from 1990. It's a monthly chart, so it's a very, very long term. You can see how since basically from the all-time, since the beginning, let's say you got a 5 ways up, and then you have a 3 ways correction ended with 2, and then since then from 2003 it has been rallying non-stop, and then finally topping out in February, right? In February of this year. Now you can see in the rally here is definitely impulsive, 1 2 3 4 5, and so that peak earlier this year is the wave 3 of this entire move that starts from all-time low. It just really starts to gain acceleration since 2009, and then since then it has been rallying very, very strongly, right? In Boeing. Now this pullback that we are witnessing here is going to be it's a pretty decent big pullback, because potentially this wave 4 that you see here, this dip, is going to correct this entire move from 2003, right? If you use a Fibonacci retracement as your guide, this wave 4 potentially can end somewhere around 23.6, 38.2. so this still has a long way to go, right? You can see that this is a potential area where this wave 4 may potentially end between 284 345, right? So now you can see right now that another leg lower, if we do get another leg lower from here, so this ABC, that potentially hits already this area, right? Potentially hits this 345, because like we look before, this ABC 100% is around 319, so that potentially could be, it is already in the area where the entire wave 4 can end over here. So this one, this 3 ways pullback, either ends the wave 4, or that can only end the wave, the first leg of wave 4, and then you do another 3 waves like this. Right, one on the other way, but we should expect a 3 ways pullback from here. So another turn lower is expected to around 3, I would say around 284, 280 to 300 is my target to the downside for Boeing. And then from there we got a chance to have a pretty nice rally again that can either go to new high, or it can do a big bounce anyway to correct this entire decline. Okay, but we're expecting this current rally in the Boeing to fail for now between 406, 431, with potential target on the downside again around $300. Okay, so that's the update for today. And if you enjoyed, now we do not cover Boeing in our group 3, but we do cover a lot of other stocks as well as indices and ETF, and you can check out our service if you are trading stocks in the group 3. That's where our stocks is, and some indices also cover in the group 1, group 2, but you can check our service. We have 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video. And lastly, you can also, if you like this video, you can subscribe our channel for more analysis. We do this sort of analysis every day from the chart of the day, as well as educational content. So see you all again next week. Have a good weekend, everyone.